Justin Diamond, Alvin, let's go. I'm in the whip with
A few days ago, Redmi has released this K60 Ultra, a smartphone which comes with all the flagship class hardware but costs like a budget device. Okay, I was super surprised and I have been using this one. In my review video of Redmi K60 Ultra, I have even praised it. Well, here comes a new competitor, Realme GT5. Realme GT5 also comes with all the flagship hardware, and the price tag of Realme GT5 is so similar to Redmi K60 Ultra. In terms of price, both of these two devices belongs to budget flagship segment. But when it comes to the hardware, the specifications of these devices, yeah, they belong to the flagship league. Okay, you have already got it, right? We are gonna compare Redmi K60 Ultra with a Realme GT5. But before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. That helps a lot. Also, please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. No, we are not gonna start with unboxing. Let's check the appearance. We will check unboxing somewhere in this video. And yeah, we have given away one Redmi K60 Ultra, and now we are gonna give away Realme GT5. To join the giveaway, what you have to do is to share your thoughts and ideas about this Realme GT5. Do you like the ring light at the back or not? Make a comment and let us know. Okay, let's start. In hand, both of these two smartphones feel so premium, but a Realme GT5 feels more posh and elegant. Both the phones have a plastic frame with glass front and rear panel. As far as I know, Realme GT5 has Gorilla Glass 5 in front and back, while Redmi hasn't revealed yet what type of glass they have used on this Redmi K60 Ultra. Design is subjective and depending on personal preferences may vary. Personally, I feel Realme GT5. It looks more lavish, classy and fashionable beside this Redmi K60 Ultra. As both have glossy rear design, both easily grabs fingerprints and smudges. And both the phones have their own brand logo printed on the same place at the rear panel. But the rear panel of Realme GT5 comes with a semi-transparent design beside the camera block. We can see the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 logo and the RGB ring light around it. When the battery is down to 20%, the RGB light will turn to red. We can also set up spatial RGB lighting for the important contacts or for other features like selfie timer, charging status and many other things. Of course, we can also enable the RGB light for the GT mode. On top, both of these two smartphones comes with an extra secondary speaker. This helps to get better stereo sound. Redmi K60 Ultra has two microphones on top, while Realme has a single microphone. Both of these two devices comes with an IR blaster, so for the people who likes to use IR blaster, both will work fine. At the bottom, there is a speaker grill, USB-C port, primary microphone, dual SIM tray. Yeah, all are at the same place. No difference. There is nothing on the left, it's a clean slate. And that means all the buttons are on the right side. Volume rockers and power button, yeah, everything is on the right side. One more time, in terms of design, I would say Realme GT5 wins with a unique and attractive appearance, while Redmi K60 Ultra would be a good choice if you prefer flat and plain design. K60 Ultra comes with IP68 certification, but in terms of build quality, Realme feels more sturdy.
If I could, I would get myself out this mess. If I could, I would get myself out this madness. If I could,
Okay, let's talk about the display performance. Redmi K60 Ultra comes with an 1.5K 6.67-inch OLED display panel. Resolution is 1220 by 2712, that means around 446 pixel per inch density. Even though Redmi has highlighted a lot of features, like this one supports HDR10+, Dolby Vision and has a peak brightness of 2600 nits, the performance of this display panel in real life isn't that good. Like the other devices within this price segment offers better performance. I'm not that satisfied cause color reproduction and color temperature in reading mode isn't as accurate as it should be. Realme GT5 comes with a 6.74-inch 1.5K AMOLED panel, 1240 by 2772 resolution, leading to a better 451 pixel per inch density. Yeah, the difference in pixel count may not be that noticeable to general users, but the real difference is in color calibration. Yeah, that contributes to almost perfect reproduction of colors. It is definitely better and much more smooth than Redmi K60 Ultra. Talking about smoothness, both of these two smartphones support 144Hz refresh rate, but there is a thing I really don't like. There are only two different refresh rate options. We can either go with the standard 60Hz or we can select high refresh rate 144Hz. There is nothing in between. Anyway, dark mode, reading mode and all the other standard features are available on both of these two smartphones and performs well. But yeah, one more time, color reproduction of Realme GT5's display panel is as good as any other super flagship. Colors are vivid and vibrant, yet very much natural. Just like I have mentioned earlier, both of these two devices are featured with a stereo speaker setup. Both has a bottom-firing loudspeaker and a dedicated secondary speaker on top. Let's listen to some music. I think Realme has done better, but you decide by yourself. Which one do you prefer?
You should always sleep with one eye open. You better keep in mind to always look over your shoulder. 'Cause when you just come for, you should always sleep with one eye open. You better keep in mind to always look over your shoulder.
Here comes another segment where Realme has scored a big win. GT5 comes with a Sony IMX890 50MP main sensor. K60 Ultra comes with a Sony IMX800 main sensor. Both the phones got OIS for the main sensor. Well, both the devices also comes with a 8MP sensor for ultra-wide photos, which I think is okay to have. Nothing spectacular or special. Realme GT5 comes with a 16MP sensor for selfie photos, while Redmi K60 Ultra comes with a 20MP sensor for selfie photos. Well, Realme has definitely performed better. I will let you enjoy some photos and videos that I have grabbed with these two smartphones. I wish you will enjoy the clips and the music.
Head high, we're alone. Are we taking all in front of us? Head high, how could we know it was all along on the side? We should read between the lines and we're on the right way to go. Head high, we're not alone. Oh, we are not out of luck. Oh, running for my life. Feel the light. Running for my life.
This video is brought to you by Pitaka. Yeah, I've been using a Pitaka carbon fiber watch band for Galaxy Watch with my Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Yeah, it looks great and it feels very comfortable. I'm also using a Pitaka Ultra Slim Aramid Fiber 600D protective case with my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. This one not only looks great, this one offers a very good protection And as these are ultra slim protective cases, yeah, they have different options. You can select the one you prefer. These are actually premium quality protective cases. So yeah, if you are looking for watch belt and protective case for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 series smartphone or Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, then I think you should check these products from Pitaka. It's time for synthetic benchmark. The first benchmark that I always run is 3D Mark, the gamer's benchmark, because I don't trust antutu. In Chinese, antutu. Well, both the Redmi K60 Ultra and Realme GT5 has managed to get a very high score. But the truth is, Realme GT5 offers a very good stability. It's even better than iQOO 11s and many other flagship gaming devices. That's really amazing. I'm surprised by the stability rate of this Realme GT5. Stability rate of Redmi K60 Ultra is also not bad, but I had better expectation. Here comes the Antutu scores. GT5 has scored 1,633,000. On the other hand, K60 Ultra has scored 1,630,000. Very similar type of performance, so let's check real life gaming performance. Okay, I know. You wanna check the unboxing, right? Well, let's quickly check the unboxing before we check the real life gaming performance. In real life, K60 Ultra actually offers a very good in-game experience. That's what I have said when I have reviewed Redmi K60 Ultra. Nothing has changed. Redmi K60 Ultra truly offers a very smooth and fluid in-game experience. Me and Thea, my girlfriend, we both have enjoyed playing graphics-intensive games on Redmi K60 Ultra. But after we have tried Realme GT5 side by side with Redmi K60 Ultra, we have noticed three major differences. Realme offers super stable frame rate, there is no frame drop even after an hour of gaming. Realme has a better display panel, so it offers more delightful gaming experience. Finally, Realme has a burning mode offering sustained full frequency speed when paired with a specific clip-on fan. That fan actually keeps the phone cool even in GT mode. So yeah, if you're a hardcore gamer, then I think Realme GT5 would be a better choice over Redmi K60 Ultra. Also, I have noticed that Realme GT5 gets cooled down faster than Redmi K60 Ultra. As both the devices are powered by a flagship SoC, both are power hungry. Redmi K60 Ultra comes with a 5000 mAh battery, while Realme GT5 150W edition comes with a 5240 mAh battery. Realme GT5 has always offered us around 25 to 35 minutes of screen on time over Redmi K60 Ultra, which is a great advantage for people who constantly uses their phone, but to the regular users, the difference may not be as noticeable. Realme GT5 gets fully charged within 23 minutes, while Redmi K60 Ultra takes 25 minutes. So yeah, Realme wins another segment. Oh yeah, I need to mention Redmi K60 Ultra comes with a 120W charger inside the box, while there are two variants of Realme GT5 is available on the market. One is a 150W edition which comes with 5240 mAh battery, another is a 240W edition which comes with a 4600 mAh battery. So it depends which one you get, but anyway, Realme wins this segment. This is a big failure. Realme GT5 comes with Widevine L3 certification. Why Realme? Why? Redmi K60 Ultra comes with Widevine L1 certification, so Redmi wins this segment. Both the phones have passed safety net test. That means we can use banking applications without being worried about anything. Both the GT5 and the K60 Ultra comes with Android 13 out of the box. Realme runs on Realme UI 4, which is a perfect clone of ColorOS of Oppo, and that ColorOS of Oppo is somewhat similar to Oxygen OS of OnePlus, so yeah, there are some similarities. Redmi runs on MIUI 14 from Xiaomi, and yeah, personally I think Realme UI is slightly better than MIUI. Both of these devices have RAM or memory expansion option. Redmi allows us to extend up to 8GB, while Realme allows to extend up to 12GB. Both the devices are equipped with under-display fingerprint sensor, both works fine, it's easy to enroll fingerprint and I have never seen any issues. Fast and very responsive. When it comes to face unlock option, one more time, both are very fast and accurate. Realme seems to be a bit more accurate and faster than Redmi K60 Ultra, but the difference is nothing so big. Well, it's time for verdict. Redmi K60 Ultra costs $60 less than Realme GT5. A 12 plus 256GB variant of Redmi K60 Ultra costs around $355 in China, while the same 12 plus 256GB variant of a GT5 costs $415 in China. Be assured, when these smartphones will get released in global market, the prices will be much more higher than what it is in Chinese market. I personally check DCGB, display, camera, gaming and battery performance. My personal opinion is, if you can spend that extra $60, then go for Realme GT5. Because this one offers better value for money when you consider its exceptional DCGB performance. Do you know what is DCGB? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you have loved this video, then please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.